Okay, I want to show you my technique. I figured out how to work with this Valspar cabinet paint. You can't play with it much. You got to put it down quickly, lay it off, and then move on, because it starts to set up and tack up real quickly. Okay, so what I'm doing, and I also found that I get much better results by using my brush. So I gave up on the roller idea, but what I'm doing now is just putting a decent amount of paint down, because these are laying flat, right? If this were up vertically, I couldn't put as much paint down because it would drip. So what I'm doing, putting the paint down, getting it rolled out. You could roll it out with a roller, right, to move it real quick, and then lay it off real lightly with your brush. But that's the trick that I've learned how to use this paint. It's always a process figuring out how a paint's going to work for you, and this is a really nice paint. It's giving me a nice hard finish, and it's laying down really nicely, but I had to figure out how to use it so it will give me the results I want.